Hi, this is Tom and Gracia from Tom and Gracia Images. Today what I'd like to do is really simply show you how to create custom crop sizes. You know, the standard crops are 5 by 7, 8 by 10, blah blah blah, that type of thing. But to be creative, sometimes you want to have some really unique crops, and you might want to have some, well, you probably will want to have some for web and for print. So here's the way to do it. It's very simple. First thing we do is we go and we need to select our crop tool, and there's an easy way to do that. You can simply press C for crop, and that gets you to it. And if you see over here, there's my crop tool right there. So I can click on crop, or if I'm not in the crop setting, I can just click on C and it'll automatically go to the crop setting. So again, if you look right here, you see that little guy there? That's the crop tool. So let's say I'm not in the crop tool. If I just press C, watch what happens. Pretty simple. Or if I'm, again, not on the crop tool, and if I just click on this little guy here, there's your crop tool. All right, so how do we design or customize a crop size that's not standard in Photoshop? Here we go. First thing we do is we go to right here. You'll see in Photoshop, you'll see that there's your crop tool, and you'll see a whole bunch of different settings. Okay, that's not where you want to go, because those are the ones you can choose, but you want to do something customized. So what you want to do is click right here, and you'll see that there's a lot of different choices, and here's all the ones that I've made. I probably should clean those up sometime, but you know, there's a lot that I like to use. What you want to do is you want to go to size and resolution, and this little box comes up, and it's very simple. You simply, it'll automatically say custom, okay, but you want to make sure it's on custom, and you want to choose, let's just say inches. Let's say that normally, you know, the old 5 by 7, 8 by 10, 11 by 14 doesn't really help you. You want to do something different. It's very simple. Just put it, let's just say 18 by 4, something really unique, okay? And I want to print this, so typically printing, you're going to be printing at about 250 DPI, maybe 300, okay? So let's say we're going to do this for a print, so on a high resolution, and I'm going to do it in inches, 18 by 4, and you always want to make sure Save as Crop Set is set, and click, and there you go. Now, what will pop up is this little guy, and Photoshop likes to name it in this type of convention. But if you want to simplify this and just make it a little bit maybe easier to read, sometimes what I'll do is I'll just go 18 by 4, 18 times 4, and then I'll just put 250 DPI, dots per inch. And then sometimes it's a little bit easier to read. Maybe I'll even go here and give it a space there. So that's a little bit easier to read. And click, and it's there. Okay, so let's just go back, and you see now that 18 by 4, 250 DPI will be put in here, and it's put in here alphabetically or per numbers. That's it, guys. It's real simple. Simply choose a crop tool, click the size that shows up, make sure to go to size and resolution. Type in your size and resolution. Do you want it to be inches, or do you want it to be pixels? Make your choice. 250 typically for printing, 72 DPI typically for web, and it's as simple as that. Hey guys, if you liked the video, be sure to subscribe and leave me a comment. I'd love to hear some comments. Thanks.